Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar yen, we are approaching a Fibonacci level, the 78% Fib. Now, I've been saying for a few days that this could be an A, B, C, but it also could possibly stretch out into a wave one, a wave two, and actually go up and take out this high for a wave three. I'm still looking at it as a possible ABC because it has not broken up yet on the daily, and we have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow for the US. Seems like a really good time to possibly make like a double top around this 78%, break a structure back down to the downside, and hopefully the continuation of the downtrend. We're not quite at that 78%, so I would definitely still be recommending longs, and I would kind of expect to see maybe something like this, like a 3, 4, 5 shape, 78% bounce, break a structure. That right there is exactly what I would be looking for evidence that this really is a wave C and that this really is continuing the downtrend. If it doesn't make that double top, doesn't make that break a structure down, then there's really no reason to look for shorts. Continue to look for buys, and who knows, it could just keep on going up. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you and happy trading.